Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter BIOS on ASUS Prime motherboard. To do this, first you will need to find F2 or a delete button on your keyboard, then power off your PC and then power it back on. While doing that, keep clicking on F2 or delete button. You can even try both of them, and let's do it now. And after a few moments you should be able to enter BIOS. And here we have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.